So I'll show you two ways of opening your lock screen settings. So one way is to go to the lock screen. So just press this button once to go to the lock screen, and then long press an empty space on the lock screen, and then tap on customize lock screen, and then finally enter your password, and that opens up your lock screen editor where you have some things you can change like the clock, shortcuts, and whatnot. And then when you tap on notifications on lock screen, or rather go to more lock screen settings, it opens up the entire lock screen settings page. Alternatively, you can go to settings. So let me just go back to the main settings page. So from the main settings page, if you scroll down, you will see display and touch. And then under display and touch, you can tap on lock screen, and then you'll also see your lock screen settings. Good luck.